It's hard to make a living off of your art, but there is a new way and not enough people are talking about it. And that is all thanks to the creator economy. Hi, my name is Jette. I'm a content creator and painter from Berlin, Germany. This video is part of YouTube's The Brand Deal Desk video series, where they highlight different stories of how creators are working with brand deals. A series that is actually made for my fellow creators. So if you're just starting out your own YouTube channel, if you're thinking about accepting your first brand deal, or if you are a brand looking into working with more niche creators like me, I'm gonna have some valuable insight for you. And also, yes, this video is in English. Don't be confused. Usually I do German content on this channel, but I want creators and brands from all over the world to benefit from my I think 10 years of experience of working with brands here on YouTube. My biggest takeaway is the more niche your content, the better the brand fit. The best compliment I get from you guys when you watch a brand deal on my channel is that it did not feel like you guys were watching an ad at all. And that is really the goal for me as a creator. Brand deals are crucial for me as a YouTuber to stay independent. And as an artist, that means a lot to me. My mantra is create the content that you want to pitch. As an art creator, it was always my dream to partner up with an art institution. I make videos about art, but also art history. But 5 years ago, many museums didn't even have social media, let alone were they creating content. Maybe they were just posting their opening times and occasional exhibition poster. In between 5 years ago and now, I have built successful social media formats that talk about art history and make it relatable and interesting to watch for a young audience. And that is a demographic that museums struggle to reach. And I can prove it because YouTube provides me with analytics and numbers about my demographic. That is a huge benefit because on YouTube, not only do you have different revenue income, you also have different type of content that you can upload. For example, I'm using short form content to grab people's attention with interesting art history facts, but then I also have longer videos like art documentaries that offer a deep dive. Eventually, museums started to invite me over to cover their exhibitions. Long story short, my existing content was beneficial for a brand. That moment really shifted the way that I saw my own content, because suddenly no brand was asking me to change up anything. But this unique, specific content has to exist before you even start working with brands. So focus on developing the content first. And it takes practice, but over time you will stop underselling and start seeing the value in your own work. For a deeper dive into how other creators are successfully working with brands, please check out the Brand Deal Desk video series on YouTube.